is it. Welcome to the Race Jeremy YouTube channel. This is something I've kind of put off for a long time. I've never really wanted to do it, never really wanted to get into YouTube, but I've had a lot of requests from all of you guys, DMs on Instagram and emails saying you wish there was videos out there to show product reviews or DIYs or how-to. And like I said, I tried to put it off for a long time, but I think this is the right thing to do, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. I know I enjoy working on all these cars, so I have a lot of knowledge. You guys always ask me about different things, so I mean, what better platform to showcase this? Let me just tell you about how all this started. I've been working on BMWs and other cars now for about 10 years, and I've gained a lot of knowledge along the way. Throughout those years, I've bought dozens of different coilovers, suspension bushings, aftermarket parts, you name it, for BMW. And about 2 or 3 years ago, I decided to start Race German. So what is Race German about? Race German is a new car community. It's a new sort of website that, in my opinion, really hasn't been offered out there. So there's plenty of automotive websites that will sell you any aftermarket part, any OEM part, and you can just go on and buy what you want. But there's really no website out there that has tailored products for this community or for the track community. So I've reached out to a lot of my favorite vendors that I think create the best parts on the market and asked if they'd join me along this journey. So what are we all about? Well, over the years, like I said, I've used and tested a lot of parts on our cars. Some have been good, some have been terrible. So I wanted to make a website where I took all the best of the best and was able to provide that to you guys in one stop. What I've been seeing lately on the internet are automotive websites saying they stock a part, or they just sell everything that the vendor offers just to get your sale. I'm not looking to just get a sale. I'm looking to provide the best automotive parts on the market today. So what is on the website right now, I feel is the best out there. If another product comes along, I'm gonna take that other product off and put the new product on. I'm not looking to sell an inferior product. Another unique aspect about Race German that I feel differentiates me between a lot of other companies besides the hand-picked parts is that I actually stock all my parts here at the warehouse. So I'm not drop shipping anything. A lot of vendors these days, you may even see it on their website, it says ship from vendor or something like that, is when you order something from them, they'll actually call up the vendor, say I have an order for you, and that vendor will ship it to you. Every order that comes through me will either ship that day or the next day, and I'm not going to sell any part on my website that I do not have in stock. Alright, I think that's enough of that boring stuff. Let's see what else is going to happen on this channel. Alright, so what else is going to happen on this channel? I got a lot of great feedback on Instagram and emails from you guys asking me to do product reviews or tutorials on the different cars. So I think that is going to be the main focus of the channel. We carry a lot of parts on the website now. I think we stock well over 200 parts now. And you know, I can show you how to use a lot of those and show you how to install them, things like that. So along with product reviews and how-tos, I'm gonna try to do a lot of comparisons between the products I have on the website to show you the difference in quality or texture, feel, things like that. So you can follow me along in the build process between all these cars, and that's where the majority of the content is gonna come from. Finally, this is Race German, so we're gonna be going to track days, and I really wanna bring you guys along on that to kind of show you, what it's like to pack for a track day, go to a track day, what it entails, how it looks like, drivers meetings, things like that, because I think a lot of you have questions about it or don't know much about it and want to find more information, or a little scared to try it and don't really know what it entails. So if you like BMWs and wrenching on cars and haven't fallen asleep to this video yet, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and give me a follow. I'm going to go through all these cars and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I got a lot of really cool stuff to show you, and I can't wait to get started. But other than that, let's go for a shop tour real quick.